Chapter 5. More on Adobe Photoshop CC 2018. Adobe Photoshop CC is a graphics editor software developed and published by Adobe Systems. It provides us a number of tools and features to create, modify, combine, and optimize digital images. In the previous chapter, we have learned to use the selection tools and copying and cropping the images. In this chapter, we will learn about shape, retouching, painting, and modifying tools. We will also learn about layers and filters that help us work with images in a better way. Finding images to work with Photoshop. We can get images from a variety of sources to work with Photoshop. We can create our images by opening a blank canvas in the image window. Then we can apply colors and patterns in Photoshop's painting tools. We can use scanner to scan photos and art into our computer. We can transfer digital images onto our computer using digital cameras. We can get images from websites that feature images which are in the public domain or are available for non-commercial use. Drawing tools. Adobe Photoshop CC has a collection of various drawing tools. Let's learn some of them. Shape tools. Shape tools are used to draw the shapes on the drawing area, which are rectangle, rounded rectangle, ellipse, polygon, line, and custom shape. To draw a shape on the drawing area, follow the given steps. Step 1. On the Tools panel, click on the Rectangle tool to bring up the various shape tool options. Select the tool for the shape we want to draw on the drawing window. Step 2. Select the desired fill color and stroke color, stroke width, and stroke type from the options bar. Step 3. Click and drag the mouse to draw the shape on drawing window. Custom Shape Tool. Custom Shape Tool has a collection of predefined shapes like flowers, arrows, leaves, etc. To use the Custom Shape Tool, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Rectangle tool on the Tools panel and select the Custom Shape Tool option. Step 2. Select a shape from the Shape pop-up panel in the options bar. Step 3. Click and drag the mouse to draw the selected custom shape. Type tool. This tool is used to type text on the drawing area. Every time we click the Type tool on a new portion of the drawing area, a new layer will be created. To type text on the drawing area, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open the image. Step 2. Click on the Type tool on the Tools panel. A box appears with different type tools. Select any one from them. Step 3. Select appropriate options such as font family, size, style, alignment, and text color for the Type tool in the options bar. Step 4. Set the insertion point anywhere on the drawing area. Now, type the desired text. Painting tools. We can change the fill color of an image by using painting tools. The painting tools available in Photoshop CC are Brush tool, Pencil tool, Color Replacement tool, History brush tool, Paint bucket tool, and Gradient tool. Let us discuss some of these tools. Brush tool and Pencil tool. We can use the Brush tool and the Pencil tool to apply color with brush strokes. Both the Brush tool and the Paint tool are used to paint with the foreground color. The Brush tool works like an ordinary brush and creates a smooth stroke of color, whereas the Pencil tool creates hard edges lines. To use the Brush or Pencil tool, follow the given steps. Step 1. Create a new document or open any image file. Step 2. Click on the Brush or Pencil tool in the Tools panel. The options bar for Brush tool appears. Here, we can set the options. Brush. It displays the brush preset picker. That displays that let us change the master diameter of the brush. We can also set the diameter and hardness of the brush. Mode. It allows us to set the painting mode such as darken and lighten when applying the brush strokes. Opacity. It allows us to set the level of transparency when applying brush strokes. Flow. It allows us to specify how quickly the paint will be applied. Step 3. Specify the desired options in the options bar. Step 4. Click on the foreground color icon to select a color to paint with. Step 5. Drag the mouse pointer in the selected area of the image for creating brush strokes of the selected color. Gradient tool. This tool is used to fill an entire layer or any selected portion of an image with the mixture of multiple colors. To use the gradient tool, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open an image in the document window. Step 2. Select the area of the image we want to fill. Step 3. Click on the gradient tool in the tools panel. The options bar displays the options associated with the gradient tool. Step 4. Click the gradient sample box in the options bar. The gradient editor dialog box appears. Step 5. Select any gradient from the presets box and click OK to close the dialog box. Step 6. Select any of the gradient option from the options bar. Step 7. Click and drag the mouse pointer in the area on the image where the gradient fill is to be applied. The selected area is filled with the selected gradient type. Paint Bucket Tool. This tool fills the area of an image based on color similarity. It also allows us to modify the content and tolerance values from the options bar. To use Paint Bucket Tool, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open the image. Step 2. Click on the Paint Bucket tool from the Tools panel. Step 3. Select the source of fill from the options bar, whether to fill with the foreground color or a pattern. Step 4. Now, choose the color from color palette and click anywhere